dear students, myself Shodhan Chagule, and today I will cover the topic called how to construct a isometric circle. Okay, so which is very tricky but easy. Okay, so I will try to teach you in the easiest form. Okay, so suppose if I want to draw a circle of 50 mm diameter. Okay, so how I will draw? First I will convert this to isometric dimension. So 50 into 0.816, so answer will be 40.8 mm. So what I did here, I have converted our normal scale to isometric scale. Okay, so to draw the diagram, first we need a scale, protractor, and then rounder or compass. Okay, so how I will start? See, I will start with the point and I will keep my protractor here and I will draw a line at 30 degree on each side. So everything should be light. So the length of the line, whatever length you want to draw, you can draw. These are just a reference line. So this angle is 30 degree. Similarly, this side also angle is 30 degree. So 40.8 is our diameter. So what I will do, I will measure here 40.8 and I will construct one vertical line. Similarly, this side also I will mark 40.8 and then I will construct one more vertical line. Then I will join this line. So what we got? We got one isometric square. So naming I will give just for understanding purpose. A, this is my B, this is my C, and this is my D. Next step, divide this into 4 equal parts. So how to divide? Suppose this is 20.8, so half will be 20.4. I will mark here and just draw one parallel line to this. Similarly, I will mark here also and then one parallel line to this. So I have divided this into 4 equal parts. So let's give the naming to this also. This is my 1, this is my 2, this is my 3, this is my 4. Okay. So next is join the diagonals. So diagonals are AC as well as this is the BD. Okay. So I will write here diagonals AC and BD. AC is the smallest and BD is the longest diagonal. Okay. So first what I will do, from 3 to 8 I will draw one line and I will connect this. Everything should be lightly, again I am telling you. Then 1 to C. 1 to C. So both A and C, both are the parts of what? Smallest diagonal. So it is cutting the diagonal BD, where in one case here and one case here. So you got 2 center points. I will call this as O1 and this one as a O2. Now take your rounder, keep it on O1, and from 3 to 4 you draw one line or you draw one circle or arc from 4 to 3. So if you construct, it will be like this. Similarly, with same radius, 2 to 1, 2 to 1. So 2 to 1 by considering O2 as your center. Then next, consider A as your center, 3 to 2. So if you consider A as your center, connect 3 to 2. So see how I am joining. Then considering C as a center, 4 to 1. From where? Considering C as a center, 4 to 1. So 4 to 1. Okay. So only circle should be dark, remaining all should be light. So whatever you require only circle here. So only keep that much, remaining all you can rub. So this is a isometric circle. Similarly, you can construct on this face also. Similarly, you can construct it on a top face also. Okay, so you can try these two circles. Okay, hope you have understood the diagram.